Hello and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials. My name is Rebecca Escott and today I'm excited to show you guys sublimation tumblers. I want to thank Teresa from Dandelion Designs for giving me all the products needed for this tutorial. If you guys are interested in already made tumblers and or custom orders, check out Dandelion Designs. Everything being used within this tutorial will have a link down in the description below. I wanted to show you how we tape this off to prevent any ghosting while we're baking. So this is an image that are my grandbabies, and as you can see, we're going to go ahead and trim off the sides. I'm not at all worried about the top and the bottom. You want to measure the circumference of your tumbler and cut accordingly. So you're going to want to allow for 1/16 of an inch as an overlap. So please do not follow my guide because I cut it just a smidge too short. Remember when doing sublimation that you want to mirror image your images. Apply it to the tumbler nice and tight, and then we're going to tape it off. So as you can see, I have that little teeny tiny gap. This tumbler is for me. So to me, this cup is going to be perfect no matter what. But you will see that I kind of do an overkill with the tape because of that gap. And I really just wanted to try to keep this as nice and tight as possible. So typically, sublimation tumblers don't really require that much tape. So once you have the center of the seam completely taped off, you're ready to go ahead and do the top and the bottom. We're going to leave that edge as we're going to wrap about 3 times around this tumbler, starting from the last piece of tape and then we're just going to completely work it around. So the goal here is to have a nice tight seal here at the bottom rim as well as the top. And you will soon see that I actually fold that bottom over the bottom half of the tumbler. As you will notice, I do add a couple of extra pieces of tape just to secure that bottom. We're going to do the exact same thing here to the top rim. And as you can see, I'm going to fold that paper on the inside of the tumbler, and I'm also going to add little extra pieces just to secure the rim as well. Once you're satisfied with the taping off, then you're ready to put it in your oven. Make sure you have an oven that is specifically meant for sublimation. You don't want to use your regular household oven. So as you can see that I have this one in the oven at 325 for 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And then I will go back in and flip it for another 2 minutes and 15 seconds. While doing this, you want to make sure that you've tweaked your oven accordingly, as we all know they're all different. Time and temperature will vary. So once you have allowed this to completely cool, go ahead and remove the tape and the paper. With sublimation tumblers, the best part about it is you don't have to use epoxy. So if you are epoxy sensitive, this might be the best way to go for you. These are super easy and super fast to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. More sublimation tutorials are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.